Welcome to this exercise on conditional formatting. Our objective for this exercise will be to highlight information based on a condition you create. For example, we have this gradebook with grades for various quizzes and homeworks. And we're going to highlight the top 10% grades of all of these numbers. So I'm going to proceed by selecting my range of cells. Then we'll go to the Home tab. Under Conditional Formatting, we'll look for top bottom rules, top 10%. And here we can specify the formatting. I will select green fill with dark green text for the top 10%. And then I'll click OK to confirm my choice. And I can see there are 4 numbers that satisfy this 10% conditional rule. And these numbers are automatically highlighted. If one of these numbers changes, let's say to a 80, and then I press enter, it's automatically unhighlighted because the 10% rule does not apply here. 80 would not belong to the top 10% of these grades.